Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to look into the series Hiccups and Hookups. It is all about love and hiccups and hookups. Lara Dutta, as a single mother, belts out a spectacular performance in a brand new, sassy and refreshing series, Hiccups and Hookups, revolving around a dysfunctional family trying to find love in this fast-paced life. Vasudha Rao, aka Lara, who is separated from her husband, lives with her younger brother Akhil, played by Prateik Babbar, and a daughter Kay, played by Shinnova. The show tackles issues of the modern day relationship in progressive families living in big cities, where the food on the table or the roof above your head aren't sort of the things one needs to worry about. Lara is trying to find love or new partner amidst her struggle with a cheating husband, a demanding job, and a troublemaking teenage daughter. Prateik, as Akhil, is enjoying his carefree life. He gets drunk, cut corners at work, sleeps with a different partner every weekend, but loves his sister and enjoys her company more than anyone else in the entire family. Lara's daughter in the series, Kay, is a troublemaking teenager who is coming to terms with her parents being separated and her own life. Like any other good series, the makers have invested a lot in character, which are well written, established, and performed to perfection by the stellar ensemble. Lara as Vasudha shines in the series as a progressive mother. Prateik is spontaneous, but his character is layered, which is refreshing to watch. The series also stars Divya Seth, Nasir Abdullah, Khalid Siddiqui, Myung Chang, Meera Chopra, and Ayn Zoya. It is streaming on Liongate Play since 26th November. So this was all for today. See you in the next review. Until then, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Infinitii for more reviews and updates from the entertainment world. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.